Searching for gold is something that the pioneers have done for hundreds upon thousands of years. Today I'm traveling to North Carolina to see how much gold I can find dredging and then doing a little bit of metal detecting on the side. Treasure hunting is so much fun and hopefully we'll be able to find a lot today, so let's see what we can get. Day 2 here in North Carolina. We're about to get back to the spot that we were at yesterday, and we're gonna go dredging and metal detecting up at the mill today. It's gonna be really cool. Hopefully we're gonna find a lot of cool treasures.
No big deal.
That's awesome. So we're getting down to the black sand now. It's this is a really good area because Harley got into a section of quartz, and you know, most of the time when you see quartz, it means you're in a good area for gold. Maybe we'll see a nugget or something. That would be pretty awesome.
Coming to inspect. Oh yeah, you got a good little piece in there. It's all fine gold, but it adds up.
Nicely done. I'm gonna see if any more is in this black sand.
He's quiet, he's up to something. Snuff it up now. Hold on, I want to see it. Oh, it's up at the corner. Look at all that, Britton.
A diamond right there.
It's got a lot of gold.
Oh, that's a one.
Holy cow! We're finding most of it in that quartz.
The bedrock. That's what I thought yesterday. So we need to be dredging more there. We'll find finds in there too.
Hey, there's one more little speck, Michael, if you want it.
You can eat it.
You sure? All right,
Yeah,
I'll eat it.
Right up in that corner.
Look at that. He said, whatever you gonna do.
That was a lot for, and you didn't paint it all out, did you? Or is that the carpet? That was the carpet, so.
No,
and
that was just the carpet, yeah.
There's still stuff under the carpet too.
All right, so we got the dredge up and running again. We just cleared out this area. You can see all the rock that we've been picking through. Use these picks that Michael has kindly let us borrow. I think that's where most of the gold is. Got pan inside this. Look, all this clay in between here. Here, I got clay in my hand right now. Put this in there.
You need all the work, huh? Yes, sir. I only dredged here for 45 minutes or something, so we probably got another 50 of these from there. You can see it up there. Got a speck there, some other specks. Good little bit all down through there. Micro stuff. I got a lot in this. Just what I have right here. I got a good bit of little pieces of gold.
See some right there. We shall make do. We're at the same spot here in North Carolina where we just did a little bit of gold dredging. Brought my metal detector. This is the XP Deus 2. We're gonna be trying to see what we can find over at this mill site. We've got a hike to it and it's gonna be a great day. I can't wait to take you guys along with me and let's see what history we can find. Oh, look at that. A horseshoe. It's definitely an old crossing site. You can see the pretty old one though. Look, Harley.
Oh, very old.
You can see for yourself.
I want to get 10,000 views.
Oh yeah, really close.
We're close.
I think that's the creek right there. Yeah, let's walk right there. I think that's, see that opening? See it's like a lightish color opening? Yeah. I think that's the creek. That line.
Oh yeah, right.
You see how
Here,
it's like
yeah. Gatorade. That is an old Gatorade bottle with the top still on it. Imagine drinking Gatorade out of that. That is pretty cool. I might keep that. Pretty amazing. Got it, buddy. Oh, it's stuck underneath the root. That's what was wrong. It was stuck. It was stuck underneath this root right here. Hopefully it can get up enough strength now to fly away. It probably needs to rest, but it was underneath this root. Its wing was caught underneath the root and it was trying to fly up and it couldn't. So I just released him and we're just gonna give him a little bit more energy and he can fly away.
Let me get my camera on.
Well, there's nothing in there. Just a little bit of leaves type stuff.
All right, this is yesterday and today, right?
Y'all ready?
We didn't
Yep.
dredge much today though, but moment of truth.
There's actually a lot more in there. There's a lot.
Man, look at that color. Woo!
Oh,
Man.
wow, that's awesome.
Look at all the gold, y'all. You can actually see it with the camera. It's big enough.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's a good bit of gold. Wait till we concentrate it together.
Oh my God.
Wow, look at that big piece. That's the one I found.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
Was it earlier today? Yeah.
Yesterday.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
We found the two big ones yesterday.
Yep.
Look at all those big pieces.
Still some in here. As a smelter, it'd be cool just to melt it all down into one piece. Like,
All right, everybody, that is going to wrap up another video of Depths of History. If you guys enjoyed this gold and metal detecting adventure, make sure you hit that like button and be sure to subscribe and watch my other gold videos in the description below. I'll have a lot more videos coming out soon, but with that said, thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure.